Welcome. If you're concerned about your privacy or simply want to keep track of where your Telegram account is logged in, it's essential to know how to view your active sessions. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to check all the devices currently connected to your Telegram account. This is a quick and easy way to ensure your account stays secure. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to check. Next, look to the top left corner of your screen. Depending on your device, you'll either see a menu icon, those three horizontal lines, or your profile picture. Tap on it to open the main menu. From here, scroll down and select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section is where Telegram stores all your security-related options. Now, look for the option labeled Devices. Tap on it. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a list of all devices where your Telegram account is currently active. Each entry will show the type of device, its location, and the last active time. This makes it easy to spot any unfamiliar logins. Take a moment to review the list. If you see any devices you don't recognize, or if you notice a session from a place you haven't been, you can end that session right from this screen. Just tap on the suspicious session and choose to terminate it. For extra security, you can also choose to terminate all other sessions, except the one you're using now. That's it. By regularly checking your active sessions, you can keep your Telegram account safe and make sure only you have access. Stay secure, and thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with your friends so they can protect their accounts too.